Hi, good morning everybody. This morning I want to talk about the importance of following the leading of the Holy Spirit. You know, sometimes we do things off how we feel, or we have our mindset on something and we just go ahead. No matter if things happen to delay us or to make us feel as if we need not do it. And this is how some of us might meet into accidents, or, you know, things might not happen as how we plan. But I have had the opportunity and the blessing to be able to follow the leading of the Holy Spirit, to have him prompt me in the morning, wake me up at like 4 or 5 o'clock, and I'm wondering, why is it that I'm awake? But sometime within like the next hour or even a few minutes afterwards, I'm able to learn and to understand why it is I had to wake up that early. Or even I might feel led to pray for somebody. And I'm sure this has happened to many of you. It is important, especially as Christians, to follow the leading of the Holy Spirit, to follow that unction. He might cause us to feel a certain way, or to see something, or somebody to say something to us, or even for people to delay us. Follow that leading and you'll find that it will work out for your good. But also pray to him and ask him and say, if you're uncertain, Holy Spirit, what is it that I need to do? What is it that you're trying to tell me? And I promise you, he will make himself known to you. Have a great day. Be blessed in Jesus' name.